How to delete apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete apps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting an application from your iPhone is a very simple task to do. All you have to do is just go ahead and then long press on a certain app that you want to delete from your home screen. So let's say I want to delete Skype. I will say all you have to do is just simply long press on the Skype icon here. Then after that you can tap on this minus icon. Then you can see the red button that says delete app. So you can tap on delete app, then tap on the delete option to delete that app successfully. And after it jiggles, you can just about repeat the process for any app that you might actually want to delete over here. This just really depends upon you, what kind of app you want to delete, and then tap on the delete option. And this way you will be able to delete apps on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.